Hey, welcome back to the Back 40. It's Mama Juju again with our Junk Journal January, and we are on day number 19, interactive. And I put my favorite interactive piece in here, and I put the big one in here. And this is where you grab the side of it and you pull it and it pops out. And it pops out like this, and you can have the whole big sheet as a journaling spot. And you also have the backs as a journaling spot. And then it has a flop up there that you can also journal on. And you can do them in all different sizes, from the little paperclip size all the way up to this size. And this is my favorite interactive piece because it has all my stuff in it, my hidden spots. You know, it's just my favorite. So I put it in my journal, and that is my interactive piece. All right, that's it. Bye. See you on the next go round.